This is a guitar lesson on how to play X by the Jonas Brothers featuring Karol G. This easy guitar lesson also comes with the chords and the lyrics, which you can download after the lesson. They're above or below. And remember to hit like and subscribe to keep up to date for all the latest lessons every week on this channel. Alright, so to play X by the Jonas Brothers in like super easy lesson style, we have three chords. We have E minor, then we have A minor, and D. Now it goes like this. It is on an offbeat, so you're going to go. That's the whole song. And it'll be going like this. Right, so that's all the verse. And just to prove that it's in the pre-chorus, it's the bit that goes. Right, that's all. And then you keep it going. It goes ooh ooh ooh. That's the whole song, right? And it's almost like it's a very like that song. And that is how to play it in like under 2 minutes. Just those three chords with that rhythm. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching to the end. If you have any questions, as I've said, just post a comment below. I'll be happy to answer. Remember to sub to keep up to date for all the latest lessons. And remember, you can grab your free download above.